Thank you Brazilian customers for visiting our company and visiting our LED showroom and production workshop. We are very pleased to provide you with an in-depth product display during your visit. Our sales manager introduced our LED product series in detail and patiently answered your questions. Through professional explanations, you will have a more comprehensive understanding of our company's technical strength and product quality. While explaining product information, the sales manager also provides personalized solutions based on your needs to ensure that our products can best meet your needs. We thank you for your attention and intention to cooperate, and look forward to establishing a closer cooperative relationship with you in the future. Thank you again for your visit. We will wholeheartedly provide you with better products and services.